In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add quick links on your Microsoft Edge homepage. So I have here my Microsoft Edge, but as you can see, I don't have quick links that usually appear here just below the search. So to add them, just go to settings here and then click on it. And then under it, look for the function called quick links. As you can see, it is currently set off. So to turn it on, just go ahead and toggle on this down arrow. Now here we have an option to add either one row or two rows. If I add one row, you can see we have now the quick links of your favorite websites that you normally visit added. However, you may want more. You can go ahead and make these to be two rows. So if you go ahead and change these to two rows, you'll have more of these added on your homepage. So that's how you add quick links on your Microsoft Edge homepage. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.